Guys, this is day 6 of 30-day challenge, and today I am going to ISKCON temple and make the day spiritual, full of spirituality, and let's see what's happened and take a blessing from Hare Krishna and show you the temple inside the temple. Let's see. And if you watch the previous videos, then comment and like, share, subscribe, and if you like, and tell me what I have to improve and what is the good thing in the videos. This is today is a Saturday, therefore today is a holiday. And I have to do some college project after returning from the ISKCON. I do some part of the project. I have to train model, and let's see what's happened. And let's go, guys. Enjoy the day. This is a God-gifted day. Let's go, guys. Enjoy the day. You can see that the ISKCON temple is there, and this is the main gate of the ISKCON temple, and I am entering into it. And this is the gate, and today is the Saturday, therefore lots of people came and got blessing from God, and you can see that lots of vehicles here, and people came from different part of Chitwan to visit here on the Saturday. Let's go, guys. I show you. Here is the place to put your slippers carefully. So guys, we're entering into it and then show you some Hare Krishna. Guys, I am going to take a prasadam, and all the devotees are take their prasadam, and let's go, guys. Enjoy the day. Guys, I am heading towards my room. I take prasadam. And today is the session of Bhagavad Gita 15.15. Guys, I am going to do my college project, and I have to train a model. I am doing a project about medical image analysis. It analyzes the medical reports using CNN, convolutional neural network, and VIT. CNN extract the feature from the image, and VIT recognize the image or analyze the image. Therefore, there are different reports of different disease like tuberculosis, cancer, my radiography. There are different types of report. Therefore, we have to train different models or different data set for different disease. Therefore, let's go. I have to train one of the disease and train a model, and so the accuracy, plots its confusion matrix, accuracy, and F1 score, all the things. And let's go guys.